Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my 101 part series on Dr. Wayne Dyer's 101 Ways to Transform Your Life. So, here I am today with part 4, talking more about his awesome principles and just really diving into the meat of it and getting that discussion going about it. So, today we have principle 4 in his audio material here, and I recommend you give it a listen and throw back how you feel about this kind of stuff and what you take it to mean. So, part 4, to paraphrase his work on this one a little bit, he has bits about how you draw your inner energy from like the beauty that surrounds you, that's, within us all. He's got a whole bit about that, and that we really need to appreciate that beauty we see in the world and to not be in judgment of it, even when we're seeing beauty in people and things and all that kind of jazz. That's really what this principle is getting at. And so I think this one's extremely powerful. I think it really gets back on our last principle as well about not judging but appreciating. This one is really about beauty appreciation, seeing the beauty in everything and really working with that, because I think that's something that a lot of people in our society have trouble doing. And like, people are always judging and complaining and all these kind of things. He's saying, wait a second, stop all the judging, stop all the complaining, just like appreciate all the beauty in the world for a minute. Because think about our lives, think about our existence, think about all that. There's so much beauty in the world. Why should we be bogged down by these little details of this thing's not perfect, that thing's not perfect? Why should we have expectations of this kind of perfection? Why should we judge everybody against these standards instead of just appreciating the good things in them? And I really think this is similar to the last principle, just in the fact that it's about not judgment, like not judging people, but instead appreciating them for who they are, what they can do, all that kind of stuff. Because, as I said in the last one, everybody can be your teacher. You can learn something from everybody, no matter how much you hate them, because everybody's good at something to some degree. And, I think that's just really what he's getting at in this principle, that everybody has something to teach us, and everything as well. We can learn something from everything, and we can see the beauty and the power in everything in existence. This is a pretty short video because I think that's pretty to the point, and we already kind of covered a lot of that material in our third part, but this is the fourth part. I'll see you guys next time for the fifth part, and let's get talking about this stuff because it's super cool.